Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of reasoning section. Our first question is, a cage had 15 birds. All but 7 manages to escape. How many birds remain? Given options are A7, B3, C8, D9. We are given that all birds escape except 7 birds. That is, out of 15 birds, 7 birds remain. So the answer is 7. So here given that option A is 7. So our correct answer is option A. Next question. Complete the series. The given series is 5, 10, 30, 120, 600. And we will find the next number of 600. So here given a pattern. So see the pattern. 5 into 2 equal 10. First two number 5 into 2 equal 10. Then second two number 10 into 3 30. Then 30 into 4 120. Then 120 into 5 600. So similarly next number will be 600 into 6, that is 3600. Here the given pattern is first number multiplied by 2, then second number multiplied by 3, then third number multiplied by 4, next number multiplied by 5. So similarly the next number multiplied by 6. So here the answer is 3600. Here given option is option C, 3600. Next question. In a row of 30 boys, when horse shifted 6 places towards the left, he became ninth from the left end. What was his earlier position from the right end of the row? So what given? There are 30 boys. Horse is in 9th position from left and after shifting. So that is horse is in 15th position from left before shifting. So 30 minus 15 equal what? 15. There are 14 boys before horse. So his position was 15 from the right end. So the answer is 15th position. Here given options is option B, 15th position. Next question. How many even numbers are there in the following series of numbers, each of which is immediately preceded by an odd number, but not immediately followed by an even number? So given series is 6, 2, 8, 9, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 5, 8, 6, 7, 9, 10, 8, 1, 4, 9, 2, 6. So the condition here given is that odd, even, odd. That is, we are looking for a group of numbers odd, even, odd. The series, it only occurs twice in the given series. It occurs only twice, where 149, 149 and 345, 345 and 149. So the answer is 2. Here given option, option B. Next question. Find the next number in the series. Given series is 7, 6, 215, 511, and we will be find to the next number of 511. So in this series, here also given a pattern. Which pattern? 2 cube equal 8 minus 1 7 for the first number. The first number is 7. So 2 cube minus 1, that is 8 minus 1 7. Then next number 4 cube minus 1, that is 64 minus 1 63. Then for 215, 6 cube equal to 16 minus 1 215. Then Next number 511, 8 cube minus 1, that is 512 minus 1, 511. So the next number will be 10 cube minus 1. 10 cube means 1000 minus 1 equals 999. So which pattern is given here? Each number is 1 less than cube of a number. So the answer is 999. So here correct answer is option C, 999.